Hi everybody, this is Pam at the Paper Outpost, and today we are using up some book pages by incorporating them into little notebooks. And these are very fun and quick and easy. And the way this came about was I had to clean up my desk yet again, and I decided I need to use this stuff up on my desk. And what I had on my desk were the remnants of something I made the other day. And I was using these little tiny old vintage horoscope books, and I was tearing out these little things and collaging with them, and that was a lot of fun. But I thought, I have the rest of the book, and what am I going to do with it? So I thought this might be fun. So what I did was, let me just take the clips out. I don't need those. I was just clipping it in to hold it because I did sew this one, but I am going to make the next one without sewing, so you can see what that looks like. But basically, there's a couple tips I want to show you with this. It's a very simple construction, but there's a common thing that happens, what you'll run into all the time when you're crafting. Things aren't long enough or things aren't wide enough, and this is just an easy way to extend what you have without dropping the thing you wanted to use and running and finding something that was the right size. So here we go. Okay, so here's the little book. I'm just being a little careful because these are dry. Yes, okay. So this is one of those little tags we made the other day, or a while back, the tiny tags. And so I'm using that as a door stopper, basically, to allow that to open. And inside here, I just literally took up 3 pages and I sewed them inside this little book just for some fun and quick reading. And I thought it was a great way to use up some pages from this old book. I went ahead and I stenciled the inside to make a beautiful inside cover. This is just, scrapbook paper, and I have a ton of that, and I really need to use that up too. So this helps me utilize some of that. And I just had some fun playing with liquid drops, Nuovo drops there. And what else did I play with? Oh, little stickles. Right there, little shiny stickles, glitter glue kind of stuff. And there we go. So I didn't do anything to these pages. I thought they were just adorable the way they were. So I left them there as is for somebody to peruse. So what I did on the back was I grabbed a piece of paper. Let me show you the paper. Okay, this paper is the exact same size as that one. Basically, it's a 6x6 paper, okay? But my 6x6 paper, when I folded it in half, wasn't quite big enough to cover my book. So I thought, well, why don't I slide it forward so it's long enough, and then I just have to deal with the back being long enough. So I just basically added an extension of paper on this side. That way everything fit. It was easy. I was using up scraps on my desk, moving forward, and making new things with what I had, and I thought that was fun. So that's what I did here. Basically, if you can see, this is one side. I stuck 2 pieces of paper here. 1 and 2, okay, made the extension, and then I rounded the corners, and then this one I trimmed to be flush with that, but this one I left hanging because I wanted a little door, a little clip so that it would hold itself. I don't have to tie anything around it or anything like that. So that's what we're going to make. Okay, here we go. We'll just put you over there right now, and let me sit down. Everybody can see. Yes, good. Yeah, we're good. Okay. Eagle is landed and rolling in. All right. Let's see. I'm going to keep using the same book, and it really doesn't matter what pages used. They're all cute and they all have something interesting on them. So I'm just going to take those 3. Okay. So we still have a few pages left. We can make another one. I'm going to take 3, and I'm just going to make sure that the crease is nice and creasy. So yeah, I mean, this one I did sew. I don't know if I showed you that, but I just put it on my sewing machine and went straight down the center and sewed it. But if you don't have a sewing machine, we together are going to go in deep and try and use that trick everybody's been telling me about. The trick that the entire world, except for me, knew about. I touched this with something like a glitter all over the place. Okay. Which is how to staple in the middle of something with using a regular stapler and pretending that you have a fancy long arm stapler, but you really don't. Okay, so we're going to try the master trick everybody has recommended, with one variation because I don't have an eraser. I'm just going to use something else, but I think it's going to work. Okay, so I have these, and now I'm going to take my paper and look to see what side I want up, and then I'm going to decide this needs to be as long as that. Okay, I'm just going to maybe give myself a little smidge over. It's always nice to have it cocooned inside. Yeah. I'll cocoon a little more than that. Okay, there we go. Okay. There, so we have the basic width. Now I'm just going to use the edges to make sure they're even. And we'll use that to make the fold. I use a bone folder because this paper is a little heavy. What are you doing here? Go away. And nobody invited you. Go. All right, so this one, okay, we have coverage on the front. We are nicely nestled in the back, okay? And now we need a little extension. Oh, look at that. That would be pretty. Oh, totally. Let's do that. Oh, this is even better than the other one. This has action. I was just using this the other day. An almost perfect fit. So a torn page. Look at that. This is awesome. This is crafting on the fly. Okay, this is what you do. Don't glue this. Glue this. Okay, so basically, you just need to know where you're starting. So I'm starting about here, and that's where I want to know to put the first little glue dot. Okay, once you have your little glue dot down, come on, glue. Come on, glue. No, we're not getting our glue dot. It dried. There we go. Let's try that. Okay, there. Okay, now we go. Okay, move this. This is, I don't know if I said, this is art glitter glue. It's a wet white glue, but it dries really well and really fast. So make sure you put it in the right spot and be ready for its super grab. Oh, that's so cool. Now, should I ink this? Maybe I should ink this. Wait. Oh, and I've already put the glue down. Okay, move it, Sally. Worn lipstick color coming in for the rescue. You could do this after, I guess, but I think I'm just going to do it now. If I have to reglue it, I have to reglue it, and that's all there is to it. But I think this is going to look kind of cool. Oh, this is like triple extra exciting today. See, sometimes the best ideas come right from your scraps. They're laying right in front of you. You know, we go out and we buy all this stuff, fancy this and fancy that, but sometimes the answer is sitting right on your table. And if you can craft your way out of your own mess, you know what I mean? Life can be really amazing. So let's even it up. Make sure we're all flushy flush. Okay, that's looking good. Now I should look at the other side just to be sure. Oh, a little higher there. Okay. Okay, we got a little overhang there. We'll have to decide whether we like that. Boy, I really like that. That would be pretty as the front, wouldn't it? Okay. Well, could we turn it around and make it the front? I guess we could, right? Who said I just need to put that the other way? Okay, I can do that. That's kind of pretty. Yeah. All right, I'll just do it. Okay. All right, so consider it done. I think I'm just going to tear that off. Okay. Now we'll just color you up a little bit and look like that wasn't planned the entire time. I think that writing is upside down, but it's very like obscure writing, and I don't think anybody's going to notice. Okay, so now here we go. Here comes the, I should probably trim it first. Let me trim that. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to first clip it in where I want it to be. I'm going to use just some good old big long paper clips. Keep everybody in place while I cut this. Okay. I think I'm going to cut this on my guillotine because I'll get a straighter cut. Right back. Okay, I have made the surgical cut and we are back. All right, so here goes. I'm sweating. Let me tell you, people, this is live on camera and gosh knows what's going to happen. I'm going to give it the old try here, the old crafter try. All right, let me move everything out of the way. And here's what I'm using instead of an eraser. And I have to admit, I did sort of practice this off camera, so everything should go as planned. Okay, so here's what I did. What happened before was when I tried to staple the center of these before with this. Actually, I could probably just do it with regular because this is long enough. But that's no fun. What fun is that? No, we'll do it this way because, you know, we want to see it at this point. But I did a test. But the problem was the little staple feet were going to the side as opposed to in. So they say that if you use something that has some thickness, some soft thickness, like a rubber eraser or pink eraser or felt or something, but I found this spongy stuff that if you go like that, well, it didn't quite come out, but it doesn't bend the feet so that you can go back in and manually bend the feet. So let's try that. All right, we're going in. Here we go. Okay, ready? All right, let me bring you in close. Okay, here we go. I know I can't show you sideways, but okay, let me try this. Oh, I'm going over the thingy. Let me do this. Okay, ready? Okay, what do we get? Oh, it's good. Look, look, look. And I can do that myself. I can probably do that with my finger. Oh, that's not so hard. Look at that. Done. Oh, okay. Oh my God, you guys were totally right. All right, I love it. I love it. This is awesome. See, sharing amazing ideas with amazing people really works. Okay, it can save you hours of stress and frustration. Don't need to tie that anymore. That's nice. Okay, let's try it again. Let's go again. I think I only need 2. Okay, did that one work? Okay, it went deep. Oh, they're swaying a little bit. I can bring them back. Very good. Look at that. Yay, we're done. We're done. Totally cool. And it looked like it was, you know, professionally done at a shop somewhere, right? Yeah, okay. Oh, we are secure. We are secure. Oh, I really like that. I think that came out great. Let me back up. Hope you could see all that. Oh, are we backed up? No, there. There we go. Okay. Oh, this one came out really good. I think I like it better than the first one. Okay, so see, we advance as we play, right? And remember, this is all play. Don't take anything too seriously. No sourpusses. Let's just keep having fun. And it's only paper. Lots of reckless abandon. Okay, flipping over. Maybe I'll ink. Oh, you know, I forgot to stencil the inside. Okay, so what are we going to do? We're at this point, and we have not stenciled the inside. Oh, God forbid. We could just leave it. Totally an option. Or we could stencil now, which is an option. Or we could do something totally different. But let's take a look and see what we have. See where we want to go with it. Okay, I do have a little... I put a little... Oh no, I'm stuck. Oh man, this is what happens. You see that? I put it down on another piece of work I was working on. It actually looks kind of cool on here, and I'm not going to worry about it. But I actually took the liquid pearls off of something else. I actually removed them. Well, I'll be darned. Okay, learn as you go. Put your artwork as it's drying in separate areas, not all piled on your desk, because this happens, okay? All right, what I was trying to show you was I put a little number here from a book page, and I thought, since I had a little number here, I might tear it out and put it on this page. I just love those little numbers. I don't know, there's something about them. They're just so darn cute. All right, give them a little torn edges. Are we done on time? Oh yeah, we're good. I don't know whether these crafting projects are getting easier or I'm moving faster, but we're having lots of extra time, which is awesome. Okay, not that there's any limit on time other than my camera that only allows me to, my phone camera only allows me to record for half an hour. So I always try and get done before that. Okay, I'm just going to put that down in here because it's kind of, you know, the opposite corner. Yeah. Okay. Just for fun. And I'm going to put this other piece that should have been drying in its own little world over here. So there you go. Dry over there. Okay. Now, we have the whiteness. Okay, now this is interesting. We have a border here because I didn't have that with the other one because it was the back that was increased in length. But it turns out that this one is the front. But we can still stencil right over this. There's nothing stopping us from stenciling on this. So let's just grab a stencil. All right, I got one. And we'll just stencil. How about that? Should I maybe I'll stencil in pink, and maybe I'll do a two-tone. Yeah, they're always fun. All right, just do a little pink. I'll do it on an angle since everything's sort of angled in here. And do this one, a little brown. And we'll see what we got. Okay. Oh, that's pretty, isn't it? Look how nice. That's just lovely. If I do say so myself, that's just lovely. All right, here we go. I wanted a little on there too. I thought that looked nice. Yeah. Oh, that's pretty, isn't it? Yeah, I like that a lot. Okay, let's do that here too. This is so easy, it's ridiculous. So if you have any of these little books or you have some bigger book pages you want to cut down to do something like this, go for it. Yeah, don't let anything hold you back. Just give this a go. All right, we'll do the two-tone. Stencils are easy to find on eBay or probably, I haven't had that much luck in the big box stores like the Hobby Lobby and stuff. They have some, but there's so many more online. I mean, you go to Etsy and eBay and that kind of thing. They're just everywhere and they have amazing stuff. And some are really pricey, but you can get some good deals if you look around. Just like go deep and look. Or you can even make your own. And that's fun to do. Getting the edges, I think, is good to do. There, a little completeness there. We also missed an area right there. Okay, now I got it. I can sleep nights now. Okay, so isn't that just the ultimate cuteness? And why don't we want to jazz it up a little, just a little, since we're, getting stickles. I'm in a stickle mode right now, apparently. I think I'm going to try gold stickles. I haven't worked with that for a bit, so, and it's right here. This is sandstone. Here, sandstone. And stickles is glitter glue, basically, with a fine tip point, so it's easy to play with. I'm just going to put a little dot here and there. Just a little dotty dot. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, just a few. And maybe if we want some in this corner, maybe just can't help myself. Got to put a few more down. There we go. All right. And one under here. Okay, that's it. All right, that's enough. Don't over stickle. Pam, there's no such thing. It's okay. You can stickle as much as you want. It's your stuff, right? Yeah, apparently I'm re-stickling because I felt like I wanted more oomph. Okay, and then that will dry. I put that over in the little quiet place, all alone by itself, not bumping up against anybody else, and all will be fine. So, and this one I didn't actually have the closure. The closure just occurred on the first one, but that gives you a couple different options of ways you can make these. Oh, look, one's a lot bigger than the other. Huh, who knew? Okay, so let me just zoom in. You can see a little closer. Whoop, oh, that's really close. Okay, I'm going to just back out a little bit. Okay. And there you go. So this was a lot of fun. I hope you enjoyed it. If you found value here, please like, subscribe, and share. Check me out on Facebook, the podcast, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter, and the Facebook and the podcast. That's everything. Yes. Okay. So we've got a 10,000 subscriber giveaway contest going till February 1st. So if you haven't entered that, please enter that. And that's pretty much it. So I'll be talking to you soon with another crafting video. I have a ton of ideas coming your way. And I hope you're all really having fun out there. Make sure to create with reckless abandon. And remember that fun can be simple. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.